Hello everybody and welcome to Mask Monday. Yep, this is Brenda, Maniac Grammy, and I am back. So I'd like to share with you what I'm using today for a mask, and I can't remember where I got this one because I've been cleaning my craft room and everything's mixed up. Seems like I've been working on that for 2 months, but I mean, I am scrubbing and organizing and I have so much stuff. But I'm using a lemon infused brightening mask, like a halo for your face. And this is with E.L.F. And it says, brighten up the lemon infused sheet mask that leaves your skin looking clear and refresh. Use this sheet mask to help brighten dark spots, pigmentation, and dullness. The mask is infused with citrus extracts to help illuminate and tone the skin. The result is a bright, healthy, vibrant looking complexion. Directions: remove the mask from the pouch, apply to clean, dry face, leave on for 10 or 15 minutes. Remove the mask gently and pat remaining serum into the skin until fully absorbed. Use once a week, as often as desired, morning or night. And this is distributed by E.L.F Cosmetics, Oakland, California, made in China, designed in the USA. I wish if it was designed in the USA, it was made in the USA, but hey, that's just the way it is. So here I am, no lipstick, no little bit of rouge, nothing. I just got out of the shower. My hair is still wet. So here we go. Got a scissors here in case I can't open it. Oh, I can tell you there's a lot of serum in it. Oh, yes, that's good. I need all I can get. I need all the help I can get. Oh boy, look. That's got a lot of serum. I'm gonna take my face cloth out, put it on here. Hopefully I can get this apart. It feels like it's nice and thick. Oh, and as wet as it is, I bet it's going to be cold. Cold. It's got so much serum, it's sticking everywhere. Just like this. There. I think I have it. I haven't found my roller yet because I didn't think I was going to be doing this, as the dermatologist and I had a nice chit chat about this. So I need to find that, or I might have gifted it away. But here we go. Nice and thick. Oh, it's cool. Now I can't see putting it on, so bear with me. Oh, it feels really good, and I can smell the lemon. Doesn't fit bad. Can't tell where the nose piece is, but that's okay. I think it's up here by my eye somewhere. Oh, this extra serum in. Alexa, time me 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now. Would you like to begin your day with a guided meditation from the Real Simple Relax skill?
No. There we go. I got my buddy timing me. There. And we still got quite a bit of serum in. I have a feeling something's up here it shouldn't be, but I can't see. Well, hey guys, can you help me out on this? Where is it? Well, I guess we're not going to worry about it as long as it doesn't go into my eye. We'll just put it like this. But this has got a lot of serum, feels really nice. Real nice. Just use my hands to smooth it out. I just got some on my lips. That's okay. Rub some in my hands here. Oh, feels good. And there's a lot still left in here. And I'll put this on my skin tonight before I go to bed. Just smooth it out a little bit more. So what's everybody's weather like? And what state are you from? I'm from Maine, and we got snow last night. Ray, how much snow did we get?
Maybe 4 inches.
Ray said about 4 inches. They were calling anywhere between 4 and 7. So that's good. He just got done snow plowing a little bit. I'm not snow plowing, snow blowing, excuse me. Yeah, oh, this feels nice and smooth. Yeah, I think this here is pretty smooth. I can't tell, but it feels it on my face. Actually, this mask fits pretty well. Okay, smells good. Now we're gonna put the silicone mask over it. I like this silicone mask. Just like this. There. Boo. Love, love, love this silicone mask. So, as I was saying, here in Maine, we got snow last night. It just stopped snowing and the sun's starting to come out. And actually, the sun's starting to come out. I'm looking at the pretty snowy trees over there. I can put my glasses on now. Hi, everybody. I can see. Oh, I got some down here. And how's everybody doing for Christmas? Do you celebrate Christmas? And if so, are you done shopping? Are you all done wrapping? This year, I decided to do gift cards. I didn't want to go do a lot of shopping in the big stores. The only stores I seem to go in lately is Dollar General and Dollar Tree, and I go in early. And I'm from a town that I got to go a couple of towns over to go, and doesn't seem to be too many people. Like yesterday on a Saturday, Dollar General had 4 people. That's it. Hey, you can avoid 4 people in Dollar General very easy. So that's what I'm just getting gift certificates. I bought a few gifts for someone that told me that they'd like to have this, that, and the other. So how about you? Did you buy gifts or did you opt out to do gift cards? I find, this is my personal opinion, gift cards aren't as personal, but with my family, they're to the age where they're very picky. They like the higher end stores, which I can't afford the higher end stores, not when you're buying for quite a few people. I have a cap that I try to limit, that I try to stay with everybody, so no one feels left out, or he got one thing more than the other, or she got more than he got. This way, it's easy, it's simple. Where do you want your gift card? Boom, done, over. That's it. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, I've got a few things, and I'm gonna have to wrap that later today. If Maggie's good. If not, I'll have to wait till she goes to bed tonight. Because you know Maggie, she'll get the gift wrap and she'll go from here to the other end of the house with it. And let's see what else. Oh, you want to see what Maggie tore down this morning? This little welcome gnome that I had on the door. Oh yeah, she jumped and jumped till she rattled it off. That's my Miss Maggie. I don't know about that girl. My dad says he thinks she was short-wired. Sometimes I have to agree, I think. So what's everybody else doing here? Trying to make some chit-chat as we wait patiently. Let's see. I know I'm sitting at my table. Do you like my plates? This is what I decorated my table with this year. Well, actually last year too. And these are the glasses. Got a glare right in front of a window. those are the glasses. And I have the small dinner plates, and these are the bowls. And I believe, I'm not sure, I got these at Dollar General. And this year they have a whole new set at Dollar General. They're kind of cute. They got like green Christmas boughs and like a plaid on it with a red truck and Christmas tree. They were just getting them in at our store because their shipment came in late. As you all know, everything's been sitting out in the ocean for so long. I hope they get to sell a lot of their product because we've only got, what, 5 more days, 5 more days before Christmas, I think. And I should look at my truck over here. It counts the days for me. And let's see, what else? Oops. My phone's beeping. I don't know why. And I don't know, we've got a few different plans going for Christmas. Going a couple of different ways on not Christmas Day. Ray and I will be having a very quiet Christmas here at home as we have no small grandchildren. The only small grandchild we have is over in Mexico. And my son's flying out to see her. And I will miss her dearly. I got her sock hanging up. And she's 5 years old. And I've got her very first sock I use every year. It says First Christmas. I'm looking at it. It's such a cute little sock. And let's see, I'm trying to find some chit chat here. Oh, as I'm sitting here. See these headbands? I should have wore a funky headband. Wasn't thinking. I'm gonna do a craft with these headbands. I couldn't figure it out. It says headbands, 2-piece. It doesn't say if it's for a child or an adult, but I tried it on and they seem to fit just fine. So I'm gonna just do my crafting with it. Probably won't get it done till after the holidays because I still have quite a bit I wanna do. Before the holidays. I've still got some nice crafting projects, last minute crafts that can be done. If Maggie allows me to get them done. You know how my Miss Maggie is. And let's see, what else? I've got this here that I may be doing a crafting project with. I showed these in yesterday's video. And I couldn't believe that they still sell these. I had no idea. Alexa, how many minutes we have?
You have 30 seconds left on your 10-minute timer.
We have 30 seconds left. So I'm gonna start taking this off like this for 10 minutes. Just like this. And see where we're at here. Oh yeah, it's drying. Oh yeah, I'll wait till the beeper goes off. Oh yeah, look how it's drying. I'm telling you, this silicone mask really works. And what you do is you wash it, rinse it off with water after. Works really well. Alexa, stop. There's my Alexa. So here we go. Let's see what this is going to do. Ah, feels so good. How do I look? Scary. Oh, well, this has got a lot of serum in it. I can almost drip it out. I'm gonna put it back in and I am going to leave it for tonight. Yes, I am, because it has got a lot still left. A lot. Oh, feels good. Hope I don't get any reactions to it. Now we're gonna rinse it off. And as I rinse off, I'd like to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And we will see you tomorrow. And it feels good. Bye now.
Thank you.